Yo guys, what is going on? I just want to make a quick market update, and today we are going to talk about the Dixie and Bitcoin. So this will be a very quick video. What you can see here is that I have a very nice RT2 pull from this low to this low up to this high, and this gives me this wonderful RT2 range, okay? And we all can agree, always when the Dixie has hit massive support, the bull run was over. Yeah, you can see it here clearly here. Down here was the top on Bitcoin, but the bottom on Dixie. Yeah, from there on, everything has gone to the downside on Bitcoin. And as soon as the Dixie is at resistance, Bitcoin is going up. Very simply. Yeah, here you can see it. The Dixie is down, Bitcoin is up, but the bull run at this point is over. Yeah, we had an anomaly here in this case. This was very, very special, this move. But in general, I just want to tell you, the bull run is very close to be over, but we will see a massive bang to the upside on Bitcoin and also on the altcoins. What I want to say here, guys, is that I think $94 on Dixie will be the main level to look for, to sell and run run away from crypto if it happens. But if we should lose $94 approximately on the Dixie, then this will be very good for Bitcoin, but very bad for our life. Okay, the Dixie is the dollar index, so this is a very, very important indicator, a very important chart that we have to be aware of. And we are getting in dangerous territory. But as soon as we are hitting or on the way to this massive support zone, we will see a massive bang. And we are right now, exactly in this moment, going for it. So, yeah, guys, now it's not the time to be offline. Be prepared, yeah, be focused, and guys, don't lose your profits again. Yeah, take your profits, guys. Don't mess it up this time. You're gonna make it, guys. We're all gonna make it. If you wanna see this chart, I've added it down in the description, and then you always can press this play button. Yeah, this is from TradingView, and it will all the time update. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.